In this tutorial, we'll explore how to design your solution using the web-based configurator. Choose building your own system to start designing your conveyor solution. An easy set of questions will guide you to make the right choices, starting from your industry and business, continuing with your products and environment, and finally, the shape and size of the needed conveyor. See your conveyor designed in real time in the 3D visualization. Move forward with getting a quotation for your design by sending it to FlexLink representatives, or get answers to technical questions and purchase directly. When requesting a quote, fill in the form with your data. Your request, including the conveyor information and 3D drawing, will be sent to FlexLink. A representative will contact you. Start designing your line now.